Hello, this is David from Vylos, and today I want to talk about different types of agent architectures. Here you see an overview of different types of workflows and agents, and today I want to show you an example of prompt chaining. Prompt chaining is very useful if you have, for example, complicated documents and you want to validate the data in them. Here we have a bill of lading. You find this very often in the logistics industry. I will show you how I will just send this bill now to my email address. And then I have prepared a workflow here which chains LLMs together. So let's execute this workflow and see what it does. So here you see the Gmail trigger is getting the email with the attachment. I have the first large language model that analyzes the document and structured it nicely in Markdown. I then have an AI agent that converts this Markdown JSON because it's easier if you improve the data quality on every step. You then will validate the output deterministically with code so that you can send it, for example, to an API and that you have an agent that answers the email. So, and here you see now I already completed the whole workflow, which means that I will have here already my response. Yeah, here it is. So here is the bill of lading. It's accepted and it shows all the details I have on the document. And now I fully automated end-to-end this process. Why is this so useful? So in prompt chaining techniques, you can break down complex steps. You have seen in this document that there's a lot of data. And so to break down this in a multi-step makes the data extraction better and the structuring of output way more performant. You can give in every step specific information. So like in the first step, we can read the tables and break it down in system prompts, which are highly specialized. This prevents so-called context rot, which means that if you put everything in one agent or in one large language model system prompt, it can happen that the large language model gets worse in the performance at that context, which is more at the start, is forgotten. So you can iterate over the data with chaining large language models to refine it in each step. This is what we have done right now. And you can even combine large language model calls with agents, which is a combination of these different types of workflows. So if you like to see more examples or if you want us to implement this for your use case, feel free to contact us. Yeah, we are happy to help.